I'm showing you how easily you can make a delicious chocolate pudding with sweet potatoes and cottage cheese. This healthy chocolate pudding is naturally sweetened with maple syrup and the sweet potatoes. Then it gets a nutritious protein boost and rich and creamy texture from cottage cheese. It's all blended smoothly for a delicious pudding that I think qualifies as both a snack or a healthier dessert. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla and I am so glad you're here. If you love healthier recipes made with all natural ingredients like I do, then you are in the right place. We're going to begin by prepping our sweet potato, and I find it works best by using these darker orange or purple sweet potatoes. We need it to be cooked and softened before we can use it in our pudding. I found the easiest way is to peel it and then dice it. And then I put them in my steamer basket, which goes into my pot. I fill it to the bottom of the basket with water, and then I put the lid on it, and then I bring it to a simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are fork tender. Then we take it off the stove, drain off the water, and allow it to cool. To mix our pudding, you can use either a high-speed upright blender or use a food processor like I am. First, we're going to add 2 cups of our cooked sweet potatoes, and I will enjoy the rest of these sweet potatoes later. Then we're going to add 1.5 cups of our cottage cheese. And what I love about this pudding is that once it's all blended together, that curdled texture is completely removed. And we get all the nutritional benefits and protein of the cottage cheese. Then we'll add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for a little flavor, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to put on our lid and just blend this on high until it is smooth and creamy. And then if needed, you can mix it halfway just to clean off the edges. Well, that looks fantastic, and there is no sign of curdled cottage cheese texture. And now is an excellent time to go in for a taste test. This allows you to adjust the sweetness level by either adding in a little bit more maple syrup, or you can also add about 1/2 cup of some powdered cane sugar. I always try to go with the least amount of sweetener I can while still having a very satisfying sweet taste. And then you can put it in your fridge for a few hours to cool and set, or you can enjoy it right away. So I'm just going to put some right into my cup. And to make it extra fancy, I'll add a dollop of whipped cream. And then everything is more fun with a few sprinkles. Oh, this looks so good. That is delicious. That is smooth and creamy and chocolatey and has the perfect pudding consistency. And I would never guess that this was made with sweet potatoes and cottage cheese. And I love knowing that I'm eating something with some clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm going to feel good even after I enjoy it. And I love being able to share my creatively healthy recipes so that you can enjoy them too. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. And I've included a link in the video description below to the full recipe, which is on my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.